Hello students, welcome back to section 5 for chapter 1. In this section we will be doing some questions from practice set 1.1 that we might have missed out during the homework. I'll also be solving sub question 8 from question number 2, so that if you all are not able to solve that particular question or question number 7, sub question 7, you can find it easier to look at the solution and do it by yourself again. So now we'll start with question number 2, sub question 6, which was not in the homework. Now we have two equations, 1 by 3 x plus y is equals to 10 by 3. This is my equation number 1, and I have another equation 2x plus 1 by 4 y is equals to 11 by 4. Now, as you can see, we do not know what the coefficients are. So, let this be equation number 2. So, what can I do is I can multiply equation number 1 by 3. So, what that will do, it will eliminate these denominators and give me simple whole numbers instead of fractions. Solving fractions is much harder than solving integers. Therefore, my first priority is to get integers if I can. So now I'll multiply equation number 1 by 3. This will give me 1 by 3 into x is, I'll do it this way, x 3 plus y is equals to 10 by 3. So is equals to 3 into 1 by 3 is 1, therefore x plus 3y is equals to 3 into 10 by 3, 3 cancels, this is 10. So this is my equation number 3. The equation still hasn't changed, but we'll name it as 3 so that it's easier for us to identify the equations. Now, similarly, once I have eliminated 3 from the denominator in equation number 1, I have to eliminate 4 from the denominator in equation number 2. So now, equation number 2 multiplied by 4, this will give me 2x plus 1 by 4y is equals to 11 by 4. Now, 4 times 2x is 8x, 4 times 1 by 4y is just 1y, and 4 into 11 by 4 is 11. This is my equation number 4. Now, some of you might be wondering that luckily in this cases we have 3 here, and maybe if we had a 3 here. Let's say we do not have a 3 here and we have a 5 instead. So I have a new question, 1 by 3x plus y is equals to 10 by 5. In this case, all we have to do is just take the LCM as we have learned in earlier classes. So let me do 1 by 3 into 1. Here the denominator is 1. This is x plus 3 goes over here, 3y is equals to 10 by 5, which implies x plus 3y divided by 3 is equals to 10 divided by 5. This cancels, this becomes 2. This is x plus 3y is equals to 6. All we have to do is take LCM. Now, in our case, we can do the same. We can take an LCM, we'll get the same answer. It does not matter what process you use. As I have mentioned earlier, all that matters is that your procedure is always correct. So let's take an LCM and see if we get this same equation by using LCM. So again, I have in the denominator 3 cross 1. 1 times x is x, 3 times y is 3y is equals to 10 divided by 3. This 3 and this 3 cancels. On the denominator, two opposite sides of the equation, of the equal sign. Therefore, I am left with x plus 3y is equals to 10. Equation number 3, this equation is same. So you can take LCM or you can multiply by 3. In this particular case, you will get the same answer. Taking the LCM is much more easier. Therefore, if you can, prefer to take the LCM in every possible cases. Now, once I have received two equations, all I have to do is again solve them. In this case, from 3, I have x is equals to 10 minus 3y, and now I'll put x is equals to 10 minus 3y in equation number 4. And therefore, I get 8 times 10 minus 3y plus y is equals to 11. This will come out as 80 minus 8 times 3 is 24 minus into plus minus 24y plus y is equals to 11. Now, minus 24 plus 1, this becomes minus 23y is equals to 11. 80 goes on that side, the sign changes. So now I have minus 23y is equals to 11 minus 80. This gives me minus 23y is equals to minus 69. 80 is the bigger number, sign is negative, 80 minus 11 is 69 and the sign negative for the number with the greater value, therefore minus sign is here. Now minus minus cancels. If you calculate this, this becomes 3 times. So therefore I have the value of y as 3. Now once I get y as 3, all I have to do is substitute. Substituting y is equals to 3 in equation 3, and I'll get x plus 3 into 3 is equals to 10. This gives me x plus 9 is equals to 10. Therefore, x is equals to 10 minus 9, which is equals to 1. So my solution comes as x comma y is equals to 1 comma 1. This is question number 2, sub question 6. Make sure you understand every step. If you do not understand, you can again post a message on the WhatsApp group and I'll clear up your doubts. Now we'll move on to sub question 8, so that you might, if you have any doubts in that, then we'll clear it up. Now, sub question 8 here is 49x minus 57y is equals to 172 and 57x minus 49y is equals to 252. Now, as we can see, we have cross numbers, so 49 here, 49 here, 57 here, 57 here. Numbering the equations 1 and 2, all we have to do is add them up and subtract them up once. Now, adding equations 1 and 2 for step 1. I get 49x plus 57x minus 57y is equals to 172 minus 49y is equals to 252. Plus sign does not change any other signature, any other signs. 9 plus 7 is 6, 16, 6, 1 carries over. 4 plus 5 is 9 and 1 carried over, that is 10, so this is 106x. Similarly here I'll have 106y is equals to 424. Once you start calculating, 106 times 4 is 424, so I can cancel out 106 after I take out 106 common. This is x minus y equals to 106 times 4. 106 cancels, so I have an equation x minus y is equals to 4. This is my equation number 3. Now I have added, now subtracting. 2 from 1. As I said earlier, it does not matter which one you subtract from which. All that matters is that your sequence is correct every time. So I have here 49x minus 57y is equals to 172 minus 57x minus 49y is equals to 252. So minus signs changes every sign inside the bracket. This becomes minus, this becomes plus, this becomes minus. 49 minus 57 is minus 8x. 57 is greater in numerical value, sign is negative, therefore minus 8. minus 57y plus 49y is again minus 8y is equals to, this value comes as minus 18. So now I can take out minus 8 common. Minus 8 times x is minus 8x. Minus 8 times plus y is minus 8y is equals to minus 8 times 10 is minus 18. So minus 8, minus cancels. So I have my new equation, x plus y is equals to 10. This is my equation number 4. Now I can very easily solve equation number 3, equation number 4. Solving 3 and 4. So as I see, I have minus here, I have plus here. All I have to do is I have to add 3 and 4. So I'll add 3 and 4. This will give me x minus y is equals to 4 plus x plus y is equals to 10. X plus x, 2x, minus y plus y is 0, and 10 plus 4 is 14. This gives me x is equals to 7. Then I substitute x. This will give me in 1 or in 3. So I have 7 minus y is equals to 4. Therefore 7, I'm bringing 4 on this side and taking y on that side. So minus y going there becomes plus y. This implies y is equals to 3. Therefore my solution becomes x comma y is equals to 7 comma 3. So these were the two equations we did not cover in the last section. I hope you could understand what was written over here. If you do not understand, just text me on the WhatsApp group. Thank you. This will be all for this session.